Hello guys, it's me, Coach AJ here, and today guys, we're back here in Gemma Town Shop. So, today guys, we're going to be doing a 5-minute challenge. Dun dun dun! So why don't we just go to our den, and I'm going to get the timer out, as you can see. Okay guys, so, the first category is nature. Yes, I just said nature. So, I'm going to just go ahead and go over here and start the timer. I'm starting the timer. Now, we begin. Okay. No, wait. I'm like wasting all my time just getting me in a perfect motion. There. Yes. Okay, so nature. It's just nature, okay? So our whole den is gonna just be full of nature because I think I like nature. Well, I don't even know what nature is, okay guys? Like, nature is me. Like, I was born in the nature. Well, actually I wasn't, but don't talk about that. Okay, so, nature. So, scrambled. So, nature is scrambled. So, why don't we, like, scrambled everything in here? Like, guys, okay, so we're not allowed to use no walls and no floors for nature. Because that is walls and floors nature. Yes. No, it's not. Never mind. Come on, stop the lag. Okay, look at this, guys. Look, I'm doing well. Now we add another clover patch. By the way, guys, the alarm is really loud. Ooh, look at these. Look how big they are. Gigantic. Okay, Like, nature spread around. So yeah, I'm spreading everything around. Just spread it around, Cookie. Look, there's gonna be a nice little raccoon there. Don't future this den. This den is cute. Dun dun dun. Guys, ew. I'm guessing I'm gonna need to spread all this stuff apart. Ew. Yes. Now look at it. It's looking a lot much cuter, I guess. Yes, put a mushroom here. We got another tree. Let's set this tree out back. We got these. Let's set that there. I got a lot of nature items. Thank you for everyone who gave them to me. Okay. Oh no, I ran out of items. No. I have a lot, but not like billion. Okay guys, let's waste our time and go to CPK Forest, where we can get our items. Yes, I am cheating, but that's okay. So, let's go over here. I heard they have new items. Oh, come on, we gotta get all this stuff. We gotta get it all. No, 4 more slots. Okay, that's all I need. Come on, game. Going back to the den. Let's see how much time we got. 1 more 2 minutes. Okay, guys, look, I got this. Believe in me, I got this. I actually enjoy this game, but I'm gonna have to end it soon. I have to end the video. Oh my god. Ew. These plants are too big. Okay, why don't we, oh my god, we gotta get back into our motion. Cookie waste time. Okay, now we gotta set our other, no, it's back there, okay. Set our other tree there. What else is nature? What about this otter? It's looking very naturey. Ooh, it's very code. Ooh, a flower bed on the R. No, right here. Do I got any nature animals? No, I don't. Come on. You know, I'm scared right now. Like, okay, check out the time again. 40 seconds. Okay, now it's time for me to rush. Oh no. Let's add this fat panda. Come on. Right here. Add this long, tall tree I never used before. Let's put it here. And add this single bush here. Yes. Add this thing. Did I just... Hurry up. Do this. No. What is happening? No. Okay. No more cheating for me. Whew. Okay. I think I did good. Yeah, I think I did good. Yes. Look at this. I did all this in 5 minutes. Because I was rushing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The 5-minute challenge. Yeah, I just saying. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me, Cookish AJ. And make sure you stay tuned for the next part. This is only part 1 of the adventure of the 5-minute challenge. But hope you guys sincerely enjoy this video. What was I going to say next? Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Today is going to be a live stream all the way to 1.5K. I think. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay sweet.